tutorial today is wig install. I'm going to show you how I place my wig. All around this place. Just place it around here. So first we start from the back. So now you have to use a spray. You go around the edges area, you place it around there, all around. What you have to make sure is to dry the area. Let's go. Keep going. Okay. It's gonna fly away. So our wig is well held on our head. Edges placed in on our detail. All you have to do is hold this part. So you leave it for like 15 minutes. Sometimes use this. I think it's called wax stick. Well, it's called wax stick. You use it around here. Those areas. Nice. And this. Use it gently for a moment. You just don't have to do it for a long time. Just around these areas. Just. So I'm happy for now. So now it's time to flat iron. Okay, what I want to do is something simple. Okay, so I want to do like a band in front. And maybe back there, you know, like to the back. A little. So I think this is okay. Oh guys, before I go out, I want to show you my final look. This is me. This is how the look with the wig install looks like. I hope you like it.
Porque te quiero como el mar, quiero un pez que nada.